Cryptocurrency, the unprecedented trend of tech which gets the world attention, for its safety and decent way of payment. However, the uprising of no technology has unforeseen environmental hazard, digital waste. To understand the ecosystem of cryptocurrency, how they cause the environmental issues, first, we begin by cracking out how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency is highly timelined, which means the value of cryptocurrency is valued based on up-to-date market price, which means the buyer needs to supervise and make the trade anytime without turning off the computer or other electronic devices. Furthermore, mining the cryptocurrency itself is highly time and energy consuming. Based on the algorithm and the power of the compute, more energy is consumed if more mining behavior is conducted. However, the supervision of mining behavior is lacking, so that's the law of regulation. In China, the cryptocurrency market has once very active, but in recent years, the Chinese government has strengthened its regulations. The government believed the enormity and global nature of the cryptocurrency may lead to financial risks, illegal activities, and prospective energy overuse. The journey of digital waste coming from both physical and non-physical way. Physically, the frequent update of hardware devices giving rise to massive amount of electronic waste. For example, the electronic waste generated by Bitcoin network each year is equivalent to total electronic waste of the entire country of Luxembourg. Each Bitcoin transaction produces about 135 grams of electronic waste, which is roughly the weight of an iPhone 12 mini. The waste often goes unrecycled and ends up being buried in landfill. Now, physically, the intelligible cost of energy and waste costs the insane amount of energy. For instance, the annual energy consumption of Bitcoin network is comparison to that of small country. While the annual energy consumption of TRON is about 162,867.85 kilowatt hours, which is about 15.4 times the average annual consumption of a US household. On top of that, due to insufficient of recycle and waste management, the global handling of electronic waste faces severe challenges. The environmental impacts of cryptocurrency mining is not limited to energy consumption, but also includes pollutions of groundwater and air. Especially, the toxic substance to electronic waste can leach into soil and groundwater, posing the threats to ecosystem and human health. The environmental harming activity as such doesn't bring the corresponding economical benefits, even worsen the economical burden. For example, in 2018, the health and climate damage caused resulting from Bitcoin mining activity in the United States counted to about $0.49 for every $1 worth of Bitcoin mined, nearly half the value of mined Bitcoin. Japan's forerunners in recycling and processing of electronic waste. The Japanese government has implemented strict regulations for recycling electronic waste. Japan has a highly organized recycling system, including specialized recycling centers and efficient recycling technologies. Electronic products are often repaired and reused multiple times before being discarded, minimizing waste to the greatest extent. However, Nigeria faces challenges in dealing with electronic waste due to lack of adequate recycling facility and legal supervision. Much of electronic waste is illegal dump for improper handled. Some areas in Nigeria have become illegal dumping ground for developed countries, leading to serious environmental pollutions and health issues. Although there are some recycling programs and initiatives, effective management of electronic waste remains challenged due to limited source and lack of public awareness. Digital waste could be cause worsened consequences in Nigeria. As we acknowledge the current state of digital waste worldwide, the most importantly, solutions. Shifting to renewable energy, transitioning mining operation to renewable energy source in order to reduce the carbon footprints and dependence on fossil fuel. Enhanced recycling program, developing and implementing the comprehensive electronic waste recycling program to effectively manage and recycle outdated mining equipment. Adopting energy efficient mining practice, encouraging the use of more energy efficient mining methods, such as the proof of stake (POS), to significantly reduce energy consumption. Regulatory framework and transparency, implementing regulation that require miners to disclose their energy consumption and emissions. The transparency will aid monitoring and management of the environmental impacts of crypto mining. Research and development of sustainable technology, investing in research and improve energy efficiency of mining hardwares and exploring the innovative solution to minimize generation of electronic waste. Rising public awareness and responsible practice, educating the public and industry stakeholders about the environmental impacts of cryptocurrency mining and promoting responsible practice within the community.